Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pho in an instant pot. This easy method brings authentic flavors to your kitchen with minimal effort. We will start by gathering our key ingredients, including about 3 pounds of chicken, a pho spice blend, and fresh aromatics like ginger and onion. Using quality ingredients is the first step to a truly delicious and aromatic pho broth. Next, we will build the foundation of our pho, the broth. First, toast your pho spices in a dry pan for about 2 minutes to release their fragrance. Then, char your ginger and onion under a broiler for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the chicken, toasted spices, charred aromatics, and about 8 cups of water into your instant pot. Pressure cook on high for 25 minutes, followed by a natural release. Now, let's prepare for assembly. Carefully strain your rich broth through a fine mesh sieve to ensure it is perfectly clear. Remove the cooked chicken from the bones and shred it into bite-sized pieces. While the broth is hot, prepare your rice noodles according to package directions, usually boiling for 3 to 5 minutes until al dente. Have your fresh garnishes ready for serving. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade chicken pho. Place a generous portion of cooked rice noodles into a large bowl topped with shredded chicken, and then ladle over the steaming hot broth. Garnish with fresh cilantro, basil, mint, thinly sliced onions, and a squeeze of lime. For an extra kick, add some sliced jalapenos or a dash of sriracha. Enjoy your delicious, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.